Hello everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to sell on eBay. Before moving on, if you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button to WebTech Tutorials for our helpful web tutorials and videos. Moving on to today's topic, how to sell on eBay. eBay is one of the shopping destinations and also the platform where you can buy and sell your items online. So if you are thinking about selling an item on your eBay account, then do watch this video till the end and learn how to sell the item on eBay. So you can download the eBay application from Play Store, but to sell an item you should also be logged into your eBay account from your Chrome. So let's begin the process of selling on eBay. Open your eBay account. After opening your eBay account, you can see there is the selling button below the search box. Tap on the selling button and you have to type in the name of the item here in what do you want to sell box. Tap on the box and type in your item for sale. So here we will do the selling for an iPhone. So after typing in your item in the box, you will get to the next page where you have to create a draft for your item and you have to sell it. So here you have to start with a title for your item that you are going to sell. iPhone 5 if it is a phone or what item it is. For example, iPhone 5. After you have entered, you also have to use pictures and other description about your item that you are going to sell on eBay. So here after entering your iPhone information, you have to go to the description and now you have to move further to adding the photo of your item. Tap on the photos and then you will go to your gallery, and from your camera gallery take the pictures of the item, your iPhone or what item it is. Take the pictures of the item and show its condition right now, and you can upload it in this eBay selling platform over here. It is good that you mention and show what the condition of your item is. You can show the flaws or anything on the item to let the buyers know the actual condition of how the item looks. So after adding the photos of your item to sell on eBay, next you have title. So the title is also sometimes already created from eBay. They have the option and suggestion to what kind of title you can add to sell your item. So you can edit that if you want, or you can leave it as it is, but you can also add some details if you want to add over there about your item to sell on eBay. Next up is condition. So here you have to choose what condition it is, if it is a new item or it is a used item, and for the parts or not working parts you have to tap on them and add it, just like you showed it in the picture. Your phone screen was cracked or something, showing it to the buyers so they will know how the condition is before buying it. Next up we have the details of the item. The item that you are going to sell on eBay, you have to add more details of the item about its brand, its processor, what storage capacity, if it is some technology item or whatever the item is. You have to give the details about the item for the customers who are willing to buy it. So enter that in this section. In this way you can add the description on the item that you're going to sell. Next up you will see when you scroll down is format and price. So eBay also tells you for most items where you should price it according to your item. So you can price it and according to your preference. So in this page you are going to enter the start price or the auction price of your item. Next up, format and price. After that you can see shipping and local pickup. If you are also trying to sell your item internationally, then you have to go to the shipping section and manage for all the payment section, the transaction of your buyer from the international nations and location. You have to manage that all from the shipping. But if you are doing it only in your local area, then you don't have to worry about that. Next up is preference. Preference is for the payment stuff. So most of all people use PayPal these days. PayPal makes transaction more safer and convenient as well, and it is a lot better for the protection of the buyers as well. So you can manage that by going to preference, choosing your payment transaction way, and manage it from here. And lastly, hit the continue button, and then you will have to double check all the informations that you just entered about your item to sell on eBay. And then here you have also the option to relist your item. You can see auto relist. If you turn it on, then your item, if it is not sold in once, then it will be relisted again in the eBay platform and help you to sell your item on eBay. And once you are done, tap on the preview section and you will be previewed about the item that you just put on sale on eBay, and it will be viewed like this to all the customers and buyers who look for your item on sale. So you can double check all the information if everything is correctly entered. And then lastly, you can hit the list it button over here. Tap on list it, and therefore your item is finally on sale on eBay. And then you will get the notifications when somebody bids on your item or when your item is sold. In this way you can sell an item on eBay. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Thank you for watching our video till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. If you have any comments or questions, you can mention them to us in the comment section below.